I parked here this elephant. I parked here this taxi. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new interesting video. Friends, you can see here many color combination and different types of 6 toy vehicles really arranged. All are nice and beautiful models. So friends, now I will hand drive one by one all of these toy vehicles with my hand. First one is here, a water tanker. Let's go. So friends, I parked here my first vehicle, water tanker. This is red, black and white color combination. Next one is here, a elephant car. I parked here this elephant car beside this water tanker. This is a yellow, white and red color combination. Now I will drive this helicopter. I parked here this helicopter beside this elephant car. This is red, black and white color combination. So friends, one by one already 3 vehicles drive and really parked here. And last 3 vehicles here. Now I will drive this first one, taxi car. I parked here this taxi car. This is orange, green paste and white color combination. Next one is here, a fire truck. I parked here this fire truck. This is a realistic model, red, black and white color combination. And here is the last one, is V2 racing car. I also drive this one. Let's go. I parked here this last vehicle, V2 racing car. This is yellow, blue and white color combination. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles and drive and introduced with you all are really parked here. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination toy vehicles.
Soar through the sky and fly.